We are filming on the Insta 360 Go Ultra. Will you be my... Hey everyone, it's Maureen and welcome back to the channel. So we are back with this kind of videos. I know I've been gone for a couple of weeks, but just was kind of like relaxing and chill and not have to worry about videos. Today we are thanking Insta 360 for gifting this channel this camera right here. This is the Insta 360 Go Ultra and I've used this for a couple of weeks. I've had fun using this camera and I want to share to you how cool this is and its features. If you're interested in buying the Insta 360 Go Ultra, keep on watching. I wanted to actually buy this last year, but I waited. I have the Insta 360 Go 3S here. I brought this with me in New Zealand, and this is the new and upgraded version of the Insta 360 Go 3S. We're gonna start with it being lightweight and portable. So this camera right here is a standalone camera that weighs 53 grams. Press this button right here and you take off camera of the Insta 360 Go Ultra. It's very lightweight. Ultra versus Ultra right here. I love that it's like the size of my palm, but it is so powerful that it takes 4K videos. I can take it anywhere I go, mount it anywhere I want, and get shots that no other camera can get. So another feature that I love about the Go Ultra is its removable SD card. Taking lots and lots of videos requires lots and lots of storage. You can replace a new SD card in the actual camera. Another feature is hands-free point of view and field of view. There is a magnetic pendant that is included in the standard bundle, which is this one. Wear it like so, put it underneath and attach, and there you go. It's locked in there and safe, so it's not gonna fall. It's very steady and you can take videos hands-free. What's nice about this is you can orient it for vertical videos or for horizontal videos by changing the angle on the pendant like so. Another accessory that I used a lot, which is included in the standard bundle, magnetic easy clip. It's easy because you can easily attach it to any thin areas, and so you could get a good angle of your shots. Good angle of your shot. Attach it to your hat, your backpack, or anything thin. Adjust to different angles too. I think this is what, like 180 degrees. There is Insta 360 there. We'll just snap. It's steady. It doesn't want to come off. The back of the Insta 360 Go Ultra is a built-in magnetic base, which means it is designed for attaching directly to metallic surfaces. You could easily snap it and shoot. Another accessory that I want to talk to you about is the Go Ultra Easy Clip headband. The magnetic easy clip that is included in the standard bundle, that goes in the Go Ultra magnetic headband. This part goes through this line right here, so we need to hear a snap. Okay, it's now locked there. I'll try this for you guys. And then kind of adjust it like that. comfortable true POV shots you could get on this one. This headband can be worn directly to your head or through a hat. You can put it over top your hat. But I like it like this, actually. I use this standalone camera a lot without the actual housing. I want to save the battery so that I can actually look at my footage. Since I take more shots, it dies. So this is where this accessory comes in. This is the Go Ultra charging base. Attach this right here. I wear my pendant. I attach this to the pendant. I have this power bank that I borrowed from my husband. And as you can see, right in here, it's yellow. That means it's charging. When I hike, I just put the power bank in my pocket. Take shots anytime I want while it's charging. Isn't it cool? It looks kind of weird that I have a wire there, but as long as it's not tangled and everything looks good, perfectly fine, and it's charging, I'm not worried about my Go Ultra dying on me while I'm filming. So this is my favorite accessory. I hike with this and used it. You have to avoid getting this wet because this is not waterproof. So just a heads up, and it's definitely a must-have. Let's talk about the camera of the Go Ultra. I'll give you some shots here. It's quiet. There is a new ambient light sensor that eliminates flicker, and that is why it stays sharp and detailed night and day. Turning on your active HDR will help show balanced footage even when lighting gets tricky. You don't even have to color grade. Talking about low light, the Insta360 Go Ultra has a pure video mode with a new sensor. For low light shooting, it increases brightness and reduces image noise, plus balance lighting. Another feature of the Insta360 Go Ultra that I love is the 2.5 flip touch screen. Flip the screen on your convenient angle and go. This feature is perfect for solo creators like me. Find your angle and use the action pod as a remote control to start recording. So that's really cool. Right? How about this? Check out the Insta360 Go Ultra in the description box. Cannot wait to make more content using this. That is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.